Hello and welcome to the corporate presentation for EazyBot. My name is Martin Thomas. I'm the Global Sales Director. And before we get started, let's go over our disclaimer. Statements made in this presentation are strictly hypothetical. EazyBot makes no claims, projections, guarantees of any income or earnings potential. As with any trading activity, there are varying factors which may or may not be within the control of the individual trader or software, including but not limited to market conditions, hacking activities, or geographical concerns. Individual results may and likely will vary. Prior to investing money in crypto or any other markets, individuals should consult a licensed financial planner. Individuals should invest wisely and not risk more than they can afford to lose. Funds invested in cryptocurrencies are not protected or insured by the FDIC or other agencies. With that being said, the objective for today is to learn how to increase your crypto and Bitcoin holdings, even with minimal experience, by partnering with a company that has a proven track record of success. So the question is, what is EazyBot? Here we say it's the people, the product, the plan, the purpose, and the passion. You see, I thoroughly believe in this crypto space, especially, you need to know who you are dealing with. So please allow me to introduce you to our Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Muhammad Omar Ali. Dr. Ali was a user within another bot program that worked very well during the up market. However, when the market dropped, it left many people stuck in trades and their portfolios dropped massively. After facing these issues, he figured out a way to write a mathematical algorithm that would give instructions to the bots to continue to trade even down to a 50% drop in the market. After testing this algorithm and reaching out to the company with no response, he decided to just show other members how to use the algorithm and get unstuck. You see, this was the birth of EazyBot. It was born from a need, not from greed. You see, Dr. Ali says that technology exists to solve a problem or to make your life easier. Well, EazyBot was created for both. And his personal goal, we call it the mission to a million, is to have 1 million people making at least $1,000 per month. Now, here are the individuals that are supporting Dr. Ali with this mission. Our co-founder, Coach Ken, our Chief Support Officer, Mr. Peter Anthony, Global Sales Directors, Winston and Martin Thomas, and our Business Intelligence Officer, Mr. Charles Anderson. Collectively, we hold these core values to heart: service, integrity, trust, respect, leadership, commitment, patience, quality, gratitude, and consistency. You see, when helping people is your purpose, there's always profit in your progress. So now let's talk about the product. What, again, is EazyBot? It's software, ladies and gentlemen, plain and simple. EazyBot is a software company. You see, it is an algorithmic intelligence that automates crypto trading safe, secure, and consistent. You get the benefits of professional trading without all of the headaches. Because remember and understand this statement: all bots are not created equal. So you don't have to be an expert to trade like one. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's no need to spend countless hours tinkering with parameters and settings. With EazyBot's proven and user-friendly interface, you can be up and running, closing profitable trades in no time. Or you can design your own winning formula. You see, with EazyBot's numerous customizable settings, you're in total control of your trading strategies. So whether you're a day trader or a scalper or you just like tinkering, EazyBot puts you in the driver's seat with the ability to modify existing strategies or just simply create your own. But know this: these bots are built for profitable trades only. So EazyBot is intelligently programmed to respond to any market condition, keeping you safe from the worst possible scenarios and taking major losses, with a 99+% historical record of positive trades. Now, another component that really thrills my soul is that 100% of your trading capital remains in your exchange. You see, all investing is centered around risk management. When you hand your funds over to someone for trading, you significantly increase your risk of loss. EazyBot does not require you to relinquish your trading funds The trading is done remotely via secure API connection that is created within your trusted exchange account with trade-only permissions. We just simply say buy now, sell now. That is it. Now, another amazing component is the automatic compounding. You see, with EazyBot's automatic compound feature selected, you'll be able to grow your crypto earnings on repeat. The bot will automatically add the earnings to the calculations of available funds for future trades. As Albert Einstein says, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Now, my really good friend Benjamin Franklin says money makes money, and the money that money makes money. While you're sleeping, while you're at work, while you're in traffic, these bots are working for you in the background. Now, earlier you heard me mention that when he designed this software, it could sustain up to a 50% drop in the market. Well, because this is software, there's often updates and upgrades. Now the default strategy can sustain up to a 90+% drop in the market. And we've seen some bots as low as a 94% drop in the market. The bot still worked. It might have taken a year, but it closed in profit. Now, the company decided to start and monitor its own live account. So on May 19th of 2022, the company took 19,000 USDT and put 1,000 in each coin pair. They were trading at the time was 19. And understand that 2022 was a pretty rough crypto winter. Now, when the bot trades, it's designed to only use 3.35% of the assigned amount. In this case, it was 1,000. So therefore, $33.50 is what was put into trade of the 1,000. And then with the auto compound feature, over the last 848 days, it finally yielded a 100.4% gain. That's simply amazing. And so the company then decided to add 10 more bots to the lineup. And so on January 1st, they started another account that monitored, but this time they put 14,500, so 500 in each pair. We cannot tell you how much you're going to make on a monthly basis. We cannot tell you how much you're going to, percentage-wise, you're going to make. No one can really do that in the crypto space. It's too volatile. But what we can tell you is what happened in the past. So every Tuesday since January 1st, we started to input the numbers of the trading that took place the week before. And after 849 days, you will see that this account yielded 101.14% return, even in a down market. This is absolutely amazing. So these are some of our major milestones that the company has accomplished. Some of the other milestones is that it achieved over 10 million closed trade. And another big one is that it did over 1 billion in trade volume. And I'm very proud of this because no one has lost money to EazyBot as a result of this. Why? Because we do not touch or control your funds. Now, another component that's really key to this is that consistent contributions combined with compound interest can significantly enhance your wealth accumulation over time. By regularly adding a fixed amount, even in small increments, you leverage the power of compounding, where your earnings generate their own earnings. This is simply wonderful. Now, if you're a Bitcoin lover like I am, we have something called the Growth Bot. Grow your Bitcoin holdings. You'll gain more Bitcoin when your trades close in profit. When trading any of the EazyBot Bitcoin growth bots, you'll grow your total Bitcoin holdings every time a trade closes. So if you believe in the long-term increasing value of Bitcoin, these growth bot trading pairs are the easiest way to gain more and more Bitcoin over time. It is absolutely wonderful. Now let's talk about the distribution of funds. You heard me state earlier that your trading capital stays within your exchange. And these are the exchanges that we are compatible with: Binance.com, BitGet, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. And through a secure API, our software talks to your exchange, giving it two commands: buy now, sell now. So all of your trading capital remains in your control. What you do send to EazyBot is the software subscriptions and the software service fees. We preload the wallet, and I'll touch base on that in a moment. Now, we have a world-class support system. We understand and we know that the crypto space for many people is brand new territory. And we don't want you to feel like you're alone on an island. So every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have a live Zoom call where you can come with any questions you have. If you wanted to add more, if your bot stopped, listen, it's software, so there will be some glitches. Nothing is perfect. But when you come here, we are going to help you during that time frame. But one thing I've noticed, while we have taken someone into a breakout room, we see that individuals started talking to each other about things they've learned in the crypto space. And that's where our global community sharing started to grow. People come here just to share their experience. Oh, I did this to my bot. Oh, I did this. Did you see what's happening with Bitcoin? Oh, what is this coin all about? And before you know it, everybody here is coming to learn while they earn from all corners of this world. This Zoom support call is invaluable, and I'm so happy to see how it has grown. You see, EazyBot really wants to reshape the future of crypto auto trading with 24/7 stress-free trading, consistent profitable returns, profit during the up and down market, auto compound your earnings. You can withdraw your profits at any time. Why? Because it's in your control. And most importantly, no trading experience is needed. So getting started is relatively easy. You'll get with the individual that shared this with you. And what they're going to simply do is help you get registered, if you don't already have one, with your exchange. I'm going to walk you through that process. Now, if the person that did this with you, it's okay. I have a gift for you. We have a free onboarding gift voucher. One of our experts will guide you through the entire process, helping you register, verify your funds, and secure your account on one of the compatible exchanges. Once that is set up, they will then assist you enrolling in EazyBot, establishing your secure API connection, configuring your preferred coin pairs for trading, and then you are off to the races and your journey begins. Now, for those that might be a little leery and they're not sure, they want to test the waters first, that's perfectly okay. You see, we have a 45-day free trial. During that free trial, you can trade up to 2 bots. You'll have 1 connection, group support, and a membership app. And every time you close a trade, there is something called a software service fee. I want you to equate that to a transaction fee with the credit card. Every time you swipe that credit card, the merchant is charged a transaction fee. So in the same token, every time the bot closes a trade, the software does what it's designed to do, you are charged a software service fee. So for example, on the 45-day free trial, if it's a $100 closed trade, the fee to you is 40 cents. This is how EazyBot generates its revenue. Now, anytime during, before, or after the 45-day free trial, you can upgrade to a paid subscription. The first paid subscription is 100 USDT for the year. The software service fee for that one is 0.4 as well. But the number of bots that you can trade has now increased to 5 that you can trade simultaneously. And please understand, funding for the bots are not included. You can have 1 connection, group support, but now it unlocks the referral rewards program. And I'll touch base on that in a moment. You have access to the membership app, but you also get 10 loyalty points. With your loyalty points, you can accumulate these points when it's time for you to renew your subscription the following year. You can utilize these loyalty points to help reduce that cost. Now, if you like me and you like saving, well, the advanced subscription could be for you. You can save 25% on every trade because the software service fee is going to be reduced to 0.3, but then the amount of coins you can trade at one time is increased to 10. You have 2 connections, group support, referral rewards, membership app, and you can have up to 25 loyalty points added to your account. Moving up the line, we have the Pro subscription. That's $550 for the year. This one, you're going to save 30% on every trade. The software service fee is reduced to 0.28, but the number of bots is increased to 25. Now you have 3 connections. What are these connections? If you wanted to have a connection on Coinbase, a connection on Kraken, a connection on Binance.com, you can do that. That way you're spreading your risk over multiple exchanges. But with this Pro, you also get 55 loyalty points. Now, if you're also looking and you understand the power of diversification, the VIP is for you. You can save 38% on every trade. It's $9.95 for the year. Your software service fee is reduced to 0.25, but the number of bots that you can trade is doubled to 50. And now you have 5 connections. You still have group support, referral rewards, the membership app, but you now get 100 loyalty points. But if you want to maximize everything possible, save the most on your software service fees, that's the VIP Plus. It's $14.95 for the year. You're saving 50% on every trade. You're going to pay the lowest software service fee at 0.2%. But now you can trade up to 150 bots simultaneously. You have 7 connections. Now you get one-on-one support. You still have access to the referral rewards program, the membership app. You're going to maximize your diversification, but you're going to get 150 loyalty points. But in addition to that, when you are charged a software service fee, you're going to get a 10% loyalty points rebate put right back into your account. It is absolutely wonderful. Now, we talked about the people, we talked about the product. Let's talk about the plan. Now, please understand the plan is 100% optional, and that is the referral rewards program for independent representatives. You see, everybody at some point in your life, you've made a recommendation to a restaurant, to a mechanic, contractor, and because they know you, they love you, they took your advice and they called that contractor. That contractor had service, or that restaurant, they generated revenue. The only downfall is they never shared any of that revenue with you. With EazyBot, anytime you share your personal journey with EazyBot, you can get a portion of the revenue back. EazyBot shares that with you, and we can go into more details during our independent training. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in today. Please get back with the individual that shared this video with you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, and God bless.